What's up guys, it's your boy John. We back again here with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tesla Model Y, and check that out. We have the 20-inch induction wheels. These are the factory upgrades. They do look good, but sometimes they look kind of boring. So what you can do is you can go to EVBase.com and you can get some aero caps. It'll make it more aerodynamic because you lose all these fin designs, but what you gain is some customizability, if that's even a word, customizability. Anyways, check this out. So you guys, if you guys follow me on Instagram, check out Nguyen, Ngooyen. So I have my Instagram tag right there, and we have Aerodisc. Packaging, they come with a pack of 4, so you get 4 of these, and they fit either side. And they're packaged really well. I have all the foam, but let me just unwrap this for y'all. This is definitely more of a stealth look. And again, you don't have to do this. This is just something that I did. And you can kind of, it's printed really nice. It's a nice print. All right, so you can use scissors or whatever just to cut the zip tie out. Comes off, and then there will be this little rubber protection. Just take this off. This is what kind of clips into the wheel pretty securely. Boom, boom, boom. But before you can just slap it on, you have to remove the little center cap right here. It's a huge center cap. And the way I generally do it is you can get 2, but I kind of pry one area, then I stick my finger where I'm prying, and then I just kind of loop it out. Match the valve stem cap with this. So valve stem cap right there. Boom, boom. Push in. Make sure you clean your wheels first, just so everything is Gucci, because once you put it on, dust does get in there. You don't want it to be kind of rubbing the Aerodisc with it. But yeah, that is the new look. Nguyen. Very cool. And I can show you what I have on the rear right here. So it's just another color choice. Obviously, if you want to go for that black and white look, that actually kind of looks cool. Or you can have all the same color, which I will do. And there we have it. We have black on black with the white interior with some white accents. It looks really cool when you're driving because of the design right here. I can't really show that. I guess I can reverse and get it out of the parking spot. But you know what? I'll do that. All right, so there you have it. If you guys were interested in the EVBase's custom wheels for your car, you can order right here. You'll get a discount of 20%. I say it looks good in black, black on black, of course white and black, or whatever color you want. Depends on what your tastes are. In the shade, it looks great. Easy to install and easy to change up your look real quick. If you want the black, you want the white, I can swap this within 5 minutes for all sides. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.